In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your VAT quarters on Xero. Navigating Xero can sometimes be tricky, but with this guide, you'll have your VAT quarters updated in no time, ensuring your financial reporting aligns perfectly with your accounting periods. Whether you're new to Xero or looking for a quick refresher, this tutorial is designed to provide a step-by-step walkthrough enriched with extra tips to enhance your Xero experience. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to access Xero's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Xero's URL, or just search for Xero in your search engine. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll find yourself on the home page of one of the most user-friendly cloud-based accounting software available today. The next step is to log into your account. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is a crucial step to ensure that your accounts and financial information remain secure and accessible to you. After clicking on login, you'll be asked to provide your email and password. Take a moment to carefully type in your details. Remember, accuracy is key to prevent any unnecessary login issues. Once you've filled in your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This dashboard is your financial command center, providing you with an overview of your business's financial health at a glance. Now that you're in, navigate to the accounting section of your dashboard. This section is where Xero houses all the tools and features you'll need to manage your accounts efficiently. Click on Accounting to dive deeper into the functionalities that Xero offers for handling your financial data. Within the accounting section, you'll want to locate and click on Advanced. The Advanced option is designed to take you to a deeper level of financial management features, providing you with tools for more complex accounting needs. It's here that you'll find the settings you need to adjust your VAT quarters. Once inside the Advanced section, look for Financial Settings and click on it. This will direct you to a page where Xero allows you to customize various financial settings to match your business's requirements. These settings are crucial for ensuring that your financial reports and calculations reflect the correct data. Upon accessing financial settings, you're going to look for an option to change the tax period. Once you spot it, change the tax period to quarterly. This adjustment is what you came here to do. Changing the tax period to quarterly ensures that your VAT reporting aligns with quarter periods, which is essential for accurate financial reporting and tax compliance. After setting the tax period to quarterly, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located either at the bottom or top right of the screen, and click on it. This action finalizes your changes, updating your settings to report VAT on a quarterly basis. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your VAT quarters on Xero. This adjustment will take effect immediately, streamlining your VAT reporting and ensuring compliance with your financial reporting obligations. Before we conclude this tutorial, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly review your financial settings in Xero to ensure they still align with your business's needs and legal requirements. Financial laws and standards can change, so staying informed and adjusting your settings as needed is crucial for maintaining compliance and financial accuracy. Additionally, take advantage of Xero's support and resources. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance or have questions about other features, remember that Xero offers comprehensive support through guides, tutorials, and customer service channels. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your VAT quarters on Xero. With these steps, you're well on your way to more accurate and compliant financial management. Don't hesitate to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or support in managing your Xero account. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make your financial management process as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching.